No. Okay, here we are again. See that? This is our ugly yellow house. It's really cool inside, trust me. The backhoe over here where a guy's digging up a line, homeowner. There's my truck cab for my project. It was in the back, but they moved it. So we look like full-on rednecks, which is good. I'm gonna venture out across this. It's almost up to my knees. With these awesome muck boots on though, so I'm set. You dig them? Fast moving. So what you've got is you've got a canal that feeds in from south of town. And what it does is it gets backed up and they go over there and they clean it out, I guess. You see where they were cleaning it out? Yeah, it didn't work. So here we sit, and it's pretty much washing out everything. It's gonna be a freaking mess out here. You see all the way down there that it's taking out all kinds of stuff. Stay over there, Jacob. Get back over there. See, it's trying to wash the little Chrysler PT away. And it is, it's almost hard to walk across this. It's hooking it. Back up here to the lawn. And no, that cord's not plugged in before any retard asks. It's all the way up here and through the yard. I'll head on down here for a little ways. Ugh. Get behind me, Jacob. We'll get down here. And then we'll watch all the tards that think they have to drive through it for some weird reason and blow water all over the place. Like Magoo's. I'm waiting for one of them to run over that cinder block. It's gonna be funny. You can see it's a mess. Into the police department parking lot there. I'm really tempted to hop in the cruiser and go for a drive.
Squeegee or something.
For what?
Get rid of all this stuff so it moves faster.
So there you go. See if we've survived the Great Flood of 15. Oh, and by the way, this is the second day it's done this. Yesterday wasn't as bad. They kept that canal cleaned out, but I don't know if you can see, but that's like the last saving thing to stop this place from flooding all over the hill. And it is full of water. So there we go. Hope you enjoyed the little Rock Springs moment.
So you still got the houseboat?